Hey Swing Trading family, this is Super Swing Trader. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Before I do, if you're new to this channel, here I talk about swing trading using the rules of supply and demand and technical analysis to trade with the big banks, hedge fund managers, and professional traders, and not against them. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys placed any trades and have you made any money with swing trading using supply and demand yet? Comment below yes if you have and no if you haven't. I really appreciate your comments because it helps me tailor my content to best serve you. Apart from that, let's get right to evaluating the charts. Okay, today we're going to take a look at the British pound versus the Norwegian krone. On this left hand chart here, this is the daily chart where every candle is 1 day. On the bottom right here, every candle is 1 week. And on the monthly here, every candle is 1 month. And let's do a top-down analysis first. On the monthly, it's not really doing anything, it's just consolidating, but on this zone here, it did create a demand zone here. Whether or not it's tradable is not the question. The question is that it created a demand here. So if price drops down there, we don't want to go short. So you can see it's just consolidating, but then recently it made a bearish engulfing candle, this red candle here. It has a long tail or long shadow, and that's what's creating this selling pressure. And on the weekly, we see that supply zone was created when price lost its theme right here. You can see that price was trading and had a lot of volatility, and then as soon as it made this drop, it created this supply zone. And this is not demand zone. It looks like demand, but according to our rules, this is not demand zone. We have very specific rules that define whether or not a zone is tradable or is considered demand zone. And just because it did have 2 strong wide body candles, this is not demand zone. If it broke this higher, it could become demand zone, but since it didn't, price just easily retraced back to it and broke it with these wicks and these doji candles. And so then we are looking to be bearish on this Forex pair. And then on the daily, we see that demand was right here. Demand was created right here, but then since the weekly we had these bearish candles, it gave us a clue that this was not going to work, just because this candle is the same as this candle right here. So we know that it's not going to work, but on the daily time frame, it is demand zone, if that makes any sense. But if you understand the rules of this trading methodology and understand the nuances, yes, this does make sense. This is demand, but this is not. But since this is demand on the daily chart, this will be supply. So this is supply. So price from here, it drop, rally, drop, base, drop, base, drop, base, drop. So this is very overextended. So this zone may not hold just because of how overextended it is. When it's this overextended, expect price to rally back up again, just because the price is so low. Buyers want to step up again. So I would not short this area unless I would not short this area. It's just because, yeah, if it goes up higher, I would not short this area. This is not tradable. This is just a supply zone that, yes, could it work? Yes, of course it can, but to be high probability and have higher chances of it working, this probably will not work, as well as a different setup. So that's all I have, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell icon. Then that way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.